In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a label in Todoist. Labels are a powerful way to organize your tasks beyond just projects and due dates, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to apply them to your tasks in just a couple of clicks. Let's start inside your Todoist workspace. First, open a task. You can do this from anywhere you see a task listed: your inbox, a specific project, today, upcoming, or any filter view. Simply find the task you want to work with and click on its name. This will open the task detail panel, usually on the right side of your screen. Once the task is open, you'll see all of its details, such as the task title, description, due date, and priority. This is also where you'll manage labels. Take a moment to glance around this panel so you're familiar with where everything is. If you don't see all the options immediately, try hovering your mouse around the task details, as some controls only appear when you move your cursor over them. Next, look for the label area or the label icon within the task details. In most layouts, this appears near the bottom of the task window, close to other metadata like due date and priority, or directly under the task title. When you hover over the task details, you should see something that either says Add Label or shows a small label or tag icon. Go ahead and click on that. When you click on the label option, Todoist will open a small menu or drop down. If you already have labels created in your account, you'll see a list of them here, and you can simply select the one or more labels you want to apply to this task. The selected labels will immediately appear attached to the task, usually as small clickable tags. If no labels appear, that just means you haven't created any labels yet. In that case, Todoist will usually let you type a new label name directly in that same area, then confirm it to create and apply it at the same time. Once it's added, you'll be able to reuse that label for other tasks in the future. That's all there is to it. Open your task, click on the label option, and select or create the label you want. Using labels consistently will make it much easier to group similar tasks together and find exactly what you need later using filters and search.